Welcome to your CosmoGlo Content Mag Mount Setup Guide. Each side of the box provides helpful information, including features, instructions, product details, and what's included. Inside the box, you'll find your content mag mount, Allen wrench, info card, cleaning wipes, magnetic ring, and transparent film. Step 1. Start by cleaning the surface where the magnetic ring will go. Use the included wet wipe first, followed by the dry wipe to ensure a clean, dry surface. Step 2. Peel the clear backing off the adhesive side of the magnetic ring. Firmly press the ring onto your phone or case. Then, peel the blue film off the magnetic side of the ring. Step 3. Remove the clear film from the suction base of the mag mount. Press it onto your desired surface and push down firmly. Flip the toggle switch to the on position to lock it in place. Place your phone onto the mount and test out the angles. It's fully adjustable, so you can get the perfect shot. Step 5. To remove, flip the toggle back to the off position and lift the mount. Over time, clean the suction pad to maintain a strong grip. Pro tip: if your surface isn't sticking well, use the included transparent film. Stick it to your surface first, then attach the suction cup to that for a better hold. Use the Allen wrench to tighten the joints as needed. That's it. You're ready to start creating with your CosmoGlo Content Mag Mount. If you have any questions, we're always here to help. Thanks for watching.